Epas stands for Electronic Products, Assembly and Servicing. This program provides training in assembling and disassembling electronic products, preparing printed circuit board or PCB modules, and installing service consumer and industrial electronic products and systems. This program is challenging, but it always provides the best experience among learners. It also enables the learners to become more practical and adept in handling electronic devices. More importantly, it teaches learners to become organized, for it introduces tasks that need step-by-step process or procedures in order to attain a specific result. Benefits include develop strong technical and problem-solving skills, provide students with the knowledge and skills to assemble and disassemble consumer electronic products and systems, maintain and repair audio-video products and systems, electronically control domestic appliances, ability to learn, operate, and control properly and safely of an equipment, tools, and systems. Upon undergoing to on-the-job trainings, students can acquire training certificates and acquisition of COC for national certificate.
When we're already in our final assessment for our Epas, and we're already halfway finishing our task that time. Naguba mo power source when we're already trying, so we need to buy another one. Kailangan na mamudagan na pud sa store para usabon ang amo ang power source, since without it dili siya magana ang amo ang project.
One of my unforgettable experience is katong naghimo ko og mock-up katong coil operated nga motor where same gani nga concept. Sa pisonet ka nang maghulog og coins nga mandar ang PC. Mao to siya kung gimo. For me, unforgettable to siya kay maong akong gipang contest at the same time katuto siya nakadaog ko by third place ko ato to siya.
Ang akong collaboration sa mga kauban o ang collaboration ko ako sa akong teacher na si Ma'am Kat. During training time, naghimo mi sa mo ang sling layout sa PCB. So dapat mugana siya once na i-connect siya sa transformer. Dapat mugana siya, like na-assure siya yung nadoy mupitik sa tester.
Choose your teammates wisely, or if dili man mo maka-choose og teammate, know your teammate. Learn how to love and how to do the electronics passionately. Just have fun.
Din ako'y duha ka tips. Number 1 is to study. Kay when it comes manggod sa Epas, it is a combination of both theoretical and practical. Ang second kay ang be curious. There are times manggod nga na kay ma-encounter na wala siya both sa book, or if naman wala pa nimo siya na-encounter.
So always bring your complete PPE. Miskin training pa lang na. So always and always bring your complete PPE.
I chose humanities and social sciences, not because I don't like electronics anymore. My heart always belongs to electronics. It's just that I also wanted to grow academically. But if I'm given a chance, I will still continue having and studying electronics. There's still a lot on this field that I wanted you to understand. My experience from electronics is really great, especially with Ma'am Aton. She's the best in City High. She gave the best advices. She knows how to handle the classes, and I'm very proud also that I became one of her classes. So that's it, guys.
In my case, turn ako mag-graduate sa City High, nag-pursue ko electronics engineering sa UN. Currently, third year student ko, prepare sa akong thesis, and akong learning sa Epas, nagamit na akong program.
After I graduated from Epas, I proceeded to BSED, major in English. Pero the things that I've learned from Epas, nakatry ko ayo sa panahon diri sa mga silingan o sa electric fans sa computer. So, magamit ka po siya no miskin education nga course akong gikuha.
Epas program covers mentoring, remediation, on-job training, and institutional assessment. Presenting to you our competent Epas teachers. Like the way of dyads, we ignite as one.